Helping yourself or your loved one preserve their independence is important. Caring for so many people at Landmark Health, we've learned some tricks and tools that can make a big difference. This video will walk you through some easy ideas to help someone get around inside the house more safely. Let's look at a few tools you can use with your walker. Unless advised otherwise, adding skis to the back legs of your rollator walker can help you safely navigate uneven surfaces and transitions in floor height. Carrying items can be difficult when using a walker. Did you know that walker trays are available to give you a surface to hold items and to help retain your independence? From the newspaper at the door to items in a store, to manage your meals and dishes, the walker tray is a lifesaver. You can stand at the counter to prepare your meal and transfer the cups and dishes to your tray. Walk across the kitchen to the table and not worry about spills landing on the kitchen floor. A spill can easily cause a fall if not addressed quickly. When you finish your meal, you can transport your dirty dishes to the sink with ease. We hope these tools and tips were helpful. Now when your family asks you what you would like for a birthday or special occasion, you no longer need to say, "I don't really need anything." You can ask for assistance in installing a walker tray, adding skis to your walker unless otherwise advised. Thank you for all your hard work in caring for your loved one. Remember, Landmark is available to support eligible patients 24/7. When your loved one feels ill, make your first call to their Landmark care team.